Hi everyone, Cici Sweet Treats here. Today we're going to be having a fun craft. We are going to be making lava lamps. So all you need are a few ingredients. We need water, vegetable oil, alka seltzer tabs, food coloring, and measuring cups. So let's go. I have here 3/4 cup of vegetable oil and a half cup of water. Now your measurements might be different depending on the size cup you use. Now this is pretty fun too, watching the water and oil separating. Now we're going to add food coloring. Now you can add 10 to 20 drops depending on your cup size. Can't wait. This is really fun. And this is a very fun craft for all ages. Okay, I think we're about done here with all. Now we're going to add our Alka-Seltzer tabs, and the best way to do this is to break it up in a few pieces. Are you guys ready? All right, let's go. And we will wait a few seconds and we'll start to watch our lava lamp. Another masterpiece, everyone. Now we have a few more here. All right, and we have red, orange, green, and our blue. I hope you all had a great time. Get to making the homemade lava lamps, and thank you.